Hi and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. Today I am here to share two products that onedaysavings.com sent me. They asked if I wanted to pick a product, so I picked one, and they said, well, you should pick another one. Okay, I said they should pick one for me. So they picked one for me, and I picked one. So I will show you the one that they picked for me. Let me get this crinkly paper because it's so well wrapped out of the way. So this is the one they sent me. I have opened it up already, and it is a diamond painting, and it is of this cute little mama panda bear and her baby, or it may be the daddy, I'm not sure. But look how cute it is. It is adorable, and this is a 30 by 40 centimeters diamond painting, and it is number SZ1233 if you're looking for this. Really cute. There's a little picture of it right there. Very sticky. So this will be amazing. And they sent me a little scooper and the diamond painting pen with the little wax that catches the little diamonds. And this is the round one. I like doing the round ones. They're not as hard as the square ones. I've done a square one, and that was pretty hard. So I like doing the round ones. And the letters are so nice and big. As you can see, they're so nice and big. And then they have the letters, the numbers, and the symbol and the color. So that's the number 1, and then they have the symbol, and then they have the color number, and then they have the numbers written on here on the little bags too. So very well prepared for you to have a very successful time with diamond painting. So fun. I love doing this. Even Billy likes doing this. Not sitting there for hours and hours doing it, but he likes to, 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there, which is fine. You don't need to finish it all at once. You can roll it up and put the plastic over and roll it up and put it away and do it some other time. Do it another day. And I cannot fit this back in because they did such a good job, and I am not doing a good job putting it back in here. But I will put it back in there later. Now, let me show you what I picked. I was just like, this is what I want. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at this. It is a clock. It is gorgeous. I just love this. It's a 35 by 35 centimeter on this canvas. And they have sent me the mechanical parts too. I didn't think that was coming. I just thought it was this, and then the mechanical parts I would have to buy. But they sent it in this very nice container. Everything is in here. All the hands and everything. The only thing I need to buy is the battery, which is fine. And then after I'm done with using this little case, I can, use it for something else. And again, it comes with a little tray, and it comes with tweezers and the pen here and the little glue for the pen to pick it up. And then it comes with these beautiful diamonds. Now, this is a bigger diamond paint, like diamonds, or what do you call these? Dots, or what are these called again? Whatever they're called. Look how blingy they are. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Bill, are you okay? Making a lot of noise there. And look how beautiful these are. Oh my gosh, this is going to be gorgeous. And then these are so big. Look at that. They are huge. Gorgeous. I love these. And then there's round ones. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have so much fun. I love this. And it comes so beautifully packed and everything. So this is a treat for sure. That's why I'm like, oh no, you just need to send me one. They're like, no, you take the other one too. I'm like, okay, I will do my best. But thank you so much, One Day Savings. I love this. It's called a clock. Yeah. I love it. So go check out their website, and if you're interested in diamond painting, that is the place to go. They have so many more that I want to do. I'm almost finished the one I was working on, so then I will be doing my clock, and I will put that one on video to show you how that one goes. I don't know why I can't put this back, but it wants to be mean to me. It doesn't want to go back in the bag. It's like, finish me, finish me. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I will put the link for these in the description box. And you can go order yourself a clock or some panda bears if you like. Talk to you later. God bless. Bye.